Hello everyone, I am Pike from PhoneYear. Today I am here at the launch event of Vivo V17 Pro and get a chance to test the phone. So today I will share the hands-on experience of Vivo V17 Pro with you guys. But before we start, if you are new, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notifications. Vivo V17 Pro is the successor of Vivo V15 Pro, which was launched in March 2019. Both phones have the same chipset, and the main difference between both phones is the design and the camera of Vivo V17 Pro. So let's start first with the design. Vivo V17 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass 6 on the back side. Because of the glass back, I like the glossy look and shine of the phone, and it looks like the premium phone. Other than that, it has quad camera setup with LED flash on the back side, which is one of the highlighting feature of the phone, which you will see later in this video, so keep watching this video till end. And at the bottom there is Vivo branding. On the front, Vivo V17 Pro has 6.44 inches Super Amoled display with the screen resolution of 1080x2340. Vivo V17 Pro has 84.3% screen to body ratio. Because of the higher screen to body ratio, screen bezels are minimum and the viewing experience is good for watching movies on it. Power key and volume rockers are on the right side, and on the left side there is a button to activate Google Assistant. On the bottom you get speaker grill, charging port, SIM card slot, and on the top there is 3.5mm audio jack and the mic. If we talk about internals of the phone, Vivo V17 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and there is no micro SD card slot in Vivo V17 Pro for memory expansion. Vivo V17 Pro features Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset, which is developed on 11nm technology, and the same chipset was used in Vivo V15 Pro earlier. Vivo V17 Pro comes with Vivo's own UI skin Fun Touch 9.1 based on the Android 9 right out of the box. In spite of traditional fingerprint scanner, in Vivo V17 Pro you get the in-display fingerprint scanner, Face ID and other screen lock options. Second major upgrade in Vivo V17 Pro is front and back camera. It has a quad lens on the back side in which you get 48MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, 13MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom, and at last 2MP depth sensor for bokeh effect. In Vivo V17 Pro you get photo, portrait, video, HDR, night mode and much more. And you can shift between ultra wide angle lens, bokeh mode and super macro mode with this toggle key. Vivo V17 Pro back camera can record videos in 4K resolution, and you can also use ultra wide angle lens in videos. Vivo V17 Pro comes with dual selfie camera in which you get 32MP wide lens, 8MP ultra wide angle lens for selfies with LED flash in the center. You can use photo, portrait, night, HDR, ultra wide angle lens for taking selfies in Vivo V17 Pro. Front camera have also capability to record videos with ultra wide angle lens. I took some pictures with Vivo V17 Pro front and back camera. Let's check out its result. Vivo has increased the battery size in Vivo V17 Pro, and you get 4100 mAh of battery which supports 18 watt of fast charging. Vivo phones are famous for their battery life and optimization, which we saw in Vivo S1 and Vivo V15 battery test. And links of both videos are in description, so we can hope for better battery life in Vivo V17 Pro as well. So guys, this is the hands-on experience of Vivo V17 Pro. Some things are upgraded like design, camera, battery, but some things are same like the chipset which you have seen earlier in Vivo V15 Pro. But personally I like the look and design of the phone. Now you guys tell me in the comment section about your opinions regarding the Vivo V17 Pro. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notifications. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.